So just to clarify real quick. So Lou founded National Laser Institute. It's usually like a 2-week program. You go in there and change your life and you transform within 2 weeks. And then you're out, you graduate. So Louology is there for that. When you graduate and you're out, Louology is a completely separate company, but it's there for you. And there's a free membership. You can also pay if you really need deep resources, and it's only $69.95 one time. You get access to everything. And then if you need the software systems and everything else, that's Revelana. So I just wanted to get that landscape out there. How can we do this without them breaking the bank? Like, it seems like everything's so expensive, the training, and then you get the equipment and all that stuff. So we're doing what we can to help you guys survive and to help you thrive without breaking your bank. We really sincerely, Lou and I went back and forth yesterday for quite a while. So many people just struggle, and we want to take that struggle away and just make it as fun as we can, and to make it as streamlined, just to help mentor you every step of the way and do everything we possibly can.